Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Now I know I just posted a clean with me video a few days ago, but we had family and friends over yesterday for Halloween, and today is the day after, and I have lots of cleanup to do, and I also need to put away all of our Halloween decorations, and I need to put back up our fall decorations. So I thought I would film it so that I could give you some motivation in case you are in the same boat. If you are, let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start in the formal dining room and get everything put away before I put my fall decor back on the table. And while I am cleaning, I hope you all had a fun Halloween. Please let me know what you did, or if you even celebrate Halloween. I know my neighbor, she has kids, and for religious reasons they don't celebrate, which is a-okay too. But as I mentioned, we had my family over as well as my husband's family. We also had a few friends join us too, and it was so much fun. I made a pot of chili, and I used the same recipe that I showed you in my last video. If you didn't see that video, definitely check it out. I will also link it below. But anyway, I also had some easy appetizers laid out, so we just hung around the house and visited before we took the kids trick-or-treating around the block. My husband, in case you don't know, my husband and I have two girls, ages 10 and 8, and they absolutely love Halloween so much. And I have to agree, it is a fun holiday. We try and do as much as we can for the kids around the block in terms of decorating outside our house and giving some fun treats out. But anyway, let me know in the comments what you guys did, and if you had a little party at your house as well. I'd love to hear what kind of foods you serve. Do you do anything creative? I'm always looking for ideas, so definitely let me know. After I switch out this door wreath, I will head into the kitchen and get that disaster cleaned up. I did have some inexpensive Dollar Tree decorations in here as well, but I did toss all of that on Halloween night just to help with cleanup a little bit. So I just need to do a ton of dishes, put some things away, and wipe down the table and counters.
Someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know, if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know, if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Just do it.
Oh goodness, look at all of these chips. We are so overloaded with chips right now, so I definitely needed to go through it all and see if there was anything expired or anything that I can toss. I completely reorganized my pantry last February or March, and the system I came up with is working very well for my family. But this big plastic bin is what I designated for our chips, and it was overflowing for sure. It's still overflowing just because we had a lot of extra Fritos that we didn't use to go for the, not everyone used Fritos for their chili Halloween night, so we had a lot of extras. And then the girls got, my father-in-law likes to make little Halloween bags for the girls, and instead of candy, he gives them popcorn and their favorite chips. And he got them big bags of popcorn, so we had to make some room for that as well. Anyway, I am unloading the dishwasher, and I need to get all the dishes put away before I load everything up. I also have a lot of dishes I need to hand wash.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your hype and your
In last week's video, I tried out this Dawn Power Wash that I had on hand on my sink. I actually really like using this to clean out the inside of my refrigerator, but I saw others were using it to clean their sink and thought I would give it a try. And I am loving it as a quick and easy sink cleaner. It really gets my stainless steel sink sparkling and shiny. If you're curious about this product or any of the other products I am using, or what are some of my favorites, I have listed everything down in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. But if you've kind of been seeing the Dawn Power Wash spray out at the grocery store and you were curious about it, it cleans the refrigerator really, really well. And it's also, like I said, it's a good everyday sink cleaner. So if you're looking for something quick and easy, definitely check that out.
You're far away, and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
The last room I need to pick up and undecorate is the living room. This room is not messy at all. The party that we had was pretty much in the kitchen and dining room. That's where everyone just kind of hung out and stayed, so that's where the mess was. But I just really need to do maybe just a little dusting because my house always needs it. And then I need to switch out the decorations on the fireplace.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Well, that is all that I have today. I am actually not vacuuming or mopping in this video, even though the floors kind of need it. It was raining off and on during the day that I was filming, and the dogs were going in and out of the doggy door, tracking in water and dirt and mud. So I will definitely get to it in my next video. I do want to apologize for the poor quality in the video. Not only was the lighting awful from the rain, but I pulled out my old Nikon to test for future clean videos, and I'm really not too happy with the quality. So I am going to go back to my old camera. But regardless, I hope you found this video motivating, especially if you need to pull down all of your Halloween decorations or if you need to clean up after your own get-together. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it to turn on notifications. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only.
Hi, I'm Ruby. And I'm Gemma. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.